very grateful naman po. And actually, lalo na nung nag-umpisa yung Seducing Great Palma, hindi ko naman po, wala akong ina-expect na kahit ano from the fans. And ayun, grateful ako kasi parang after nun, parang nagawa ko yung character ko ng tama. And then sa Project Loki naman po, as Jamie Santiago, medyo nabaliw po ako dun sa character na yun. Pero yes, ginawa ko naman po lahat ng best ko dun. And ayun, back here po sa Dating Alice as Aya Pineda. Nablanko ako. Pero ayun po, maraming salamat po dahil sa Viva, hindi po ako magkakaroon ng mga ganitong project. Maraming salamat din po, Boss Vic, sa pag-trust sa akin. And, ayun po, special mention. Ayun po, maraming thank you po. Maraming thank you! Maraming salamat po, Viva. Yun lang po yung gusto ko pong sabihin.
Thank you. And then coming from Bagets, Ethan.
Ako po, I'm just really thankful for whatever Viva has for me and for us actually. Kasi it's so nice po na makita po kami lahat nagtatrabaho. Kasi everyone has the same dream and we just really want to work and do our best. And ako, I really just trust the process. And naniniwala ako na kung ano yung para sa'yo, yung darating. So, also faith comes to mind and also God will lead the way every time. So, yeah.
For me naman, one thing I really want to say is that Viva saw something in me na I never would have seen myself. Yeah, there's nothing, I couldn't be more thankful for it. And kung hindi ko man din pinut yung trust ko sa Viva or I didn't follow through with their plans, siguro I would definitely regret it po talaga. Kaya I'm very thankful na I'm in this position now and the continuing love and support from Viva. Very blessed for it. Kaya sobrang thank you po sa mga bosses, producers, directors, everyone for Viva. Thank you so much. I love you guys.
Ako naman, for the longest time, I keep asking myself, when does it get good? Like, so sobrang dami kong pinagdaanan before. Parang, there were so many instances na I just almost gave up entirely. But I still kept going because I always saw myself as an actress here on the stage. This is my dream come true. And I'm just so grateful for this moment. And I just want to remind everyone that it does become good. You just have to keep waiting and you just have to keep pushing. Just keep going. You'll get there. I want to thank Viva for believing in me, the Viva bosses. Because sometimes even I don't believe in myself. But then I remind myself na if sinugal nyo lahat sa akin, bakit ako hindi ako sumugal sa sarili ko? I just need to believe in myself more. Thank you for seeing my potential and giving me countless opportunities that I never thought I would ever have. Na pangarap ko lang talaga, nagkatotoo. Thank you for that. And yun lang po, I'm gonna keep doing my best in everything that I do. I hope you keep believing in me. Because sana ito lang po yung simula ng career ko. I want this to be the beginning. I want more for myself. It might sound greedy, pero it doesn't hurt to dream big, di ba? Kung mangangarap ka na lang, lakihan mo na.
Haba? Hindi, ako po, kung nasa man po ako ngayon, ang pinaka-pinasasalamatan ko po si Lord, syempre. Tapos, lahat po ng mga boss Viva, Boss Veronique, Boss Vic, Boss Val, Boss Vincent, and sa lahat po ng prod, sa lahat po ng taong tumulong sa akin, sa lahat po ng tao na nagturo sa akin ng mga bagay-bagay, and sa lahat po ng mga kaibigan ko, sa magulang ko. Hindi po dahil sa kanila, wala po ako sa kinakatayuan ko ngayon. Kaya, yun lang po. Sobrang pasasalamat ko lang po sa kanila.